Want this?
You're a cute little wolf.
Add 10 milliseconds to the end of your clips and pre-compose your clips. After that, cut the 10 milliseconds we add at the end of your clip and do that to your other clips. Like this. If you don't have this effect, you should Dallin Twixtor plugin. Do what I do. Do the first keyframes value 600, second 100, third 600. Press F9 to ease in. Do what I do. Now apply this to all clips. Now it's time for the zoom in. Press F9 to ease in. Do what I do. Now apply this to all clips. Now it's time for the shake. Add BCC directional blur. You can play with the length. Now apply this to all clips. I forget to do it here, but don't forget open motion blur and frame blending for more smooth edits. And finally, when I have 100 followers, I will show how to make hardstyle aesthetic CCs and even give a few free presets. Thanks for watching.